Polaroid 101. Flip. Hello and welcome to the Polaroid community. This is an orientation for the Flip instant camera. Step 1. Open the box. Inside your box, find a camera, a quick start guide, and a load distribution mechanism known as a camera strap. Increase your camera's charge when it's low by using an appropriate power source and USB-C charging apparatus. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with the Flip. The Polaroid Flip instant camera utilizes a hyperfocal 4-lens system, sonar autofocus, scene analysis, and Polaroid's most powerful flash, all to take really very nice pictures. Step 3. Procure and insert Polaroid I-type film. Using your camera without film is difficult. Find a chair and sit in front of a computer. Go online and buy some I-type film. Your film is best stored in a refrigerator, lying flat. Allow it to return to room temperature before use. This should take around 60 minutes. To insert film, do this, then this, and do not pull on that. For quality, use all 8 shots within 1 month. To take an empty film pack out, pull this sticker and reverse this demonstration. Once it's out, clean your rollers with a common dust removal device known as a cotton bud. Step 4. Initiate capturement of an instant picture. Open the Flip camera. Do not block the front of the camera. Now, look through the viewfinder. Hold your camera still. If it looks dark, open your eyes. Half press the shutter to focus, then complete the pressing of the red shutter button to begin the film processing process. Keep your picture under the film shield for 10 seconds, then hide it away from light. And do not attempt to shake your picture. Step 5. Understand scene analysis. Your Polaroid Flip scene analysis feature notifies you when your picture will be bad, with a red light, subsequent to pressing the shutter button. If it's too dark, either use the flash, move to better lighting, or a sunnier country. In case that's not possible, use the mode button to brighten or darken your pictures. Or take it anyway. This C means you're too close. We entrust you to distance yourself. Step 6. Analyze a scene for yourself. In the event that the red light starts haunting your dreams, consider being a better photographer. To do this, think Flip. F is for flash. If you're inside or it's the evening, always use it. It's automatic. Position your subject near a wall up to 4 meters away. L is for light. When shooting during the day, think light. Ensure it's always behind you. I is for imagination. Lock that firmly in place. P is for parallax. Your viewfinder does not look through your lens. When framing close-ups, adjust the camera slightly to the left to center your shot. Step 7. Unlock the vast expanse of your creative potential. Once you've mastered holding your camera, try out features like the self-timer or double exposure. Press the mode button once for the self-timer and 2 times for double exposure. Or use the Polaroid app to unlock features like manual mode, program mode, and long exposure. Or to simply scan and share your pictures. Step 8. Give yourself a round of applause. Raise your right hand, bring it down with a swoop to your left. When they meet, you should hear a satisfying clap. Repeat again and again. Congratulations! You have now completed the Polaroid Flip orientation. Investigate your next steps with Polaroid 101 Beginner's Lessons. Goodbye.